subscribe.
Today we are representing the cat please. 3, drum roll please.
It's a cat of snow. She's so cute, right? Her name is Tasha. She's a slave for cat. T for Tasha. She's a slave for cat.
This is how Tasha plays. She's a very energetic cat and she loves to play with this thing.
Yeah, she loves playing because she's really playful and energetic.
She's not paying attention, guys.
Yeah, that's what. She's a really ungrateful cat. Okay, now look. She's aiming for it.
Let's try one more time, okay? 2 more times actually because let me just move a little closer. Tasha. Oh my god.
She's so sleepy and lazy. Okay, now look. She got it!
Yay! Oh, she ran back. Let's do it again. No, just for our fun.
Yay! Look at her go. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, she's going for it. She's going for it. She's coming.
Oh, she lost.
This is the chair, and now this is the kitty. Let's see who wins. Oh. She went for the other chair, but okay. Okay, she wins. Kitty wins.
Tasha.
Okay, she looks like she's so sleepy. But oh,
Oh.
the opposite of sleepy.
It's fighting, guys.
She loves fighting, bro.
Kitty.
Look at the way she rolls. Oh, her head.
Guys, we gotta find out to take her out into the room so we can show you how she actually plays.
Yeah. She's so cute. Oh, she's aiming. She's aiming for this. Okay, now look, just look. Oh, she got it.
She did it.
Oh, wait. She's taking it. Don't let her go with it. I got it. Okay, guys, we're back. And with Kitty. She also plays with the dandia stick, which is really odd. But today